Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Chainlink Daily. Today we've got a lot of news to cover. We've got this large dip, and I'll explain during this video why this is actually a very bullish daily candle, okay? And we'll see a correlation between almost all of the cryptocurrencies, okay? It's a very similar candle. ETH, Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin's a bit red, but look at this, same candle, okay? And so what that means is, really quickly, and of course we'll go into much deeper analysis in a second, is that here were a lot of buyers, okay? A lot of buyers, and you can actually also say that there was a lot of price manipulation, like a lot of algo trading, pushing the price down, then a lot of, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. But here, a lot of buyers were waiting, okay, in each one of the cryptocurrencies. And we also say that we also said that in the previous videos regarding the 20-day moving average, how the price tends to correlate with the 20-day moving average and close the gaps between them. Okay, we saw something similar here. Okay, so these dips and just the price, how it moves with the 20-day moving average. When there's a large gap between the current price and the 20-day moving average, it tends to close this gap. But here, again, very, very bullish. We'll talk about that in a second. You can see how it's similar. This is Cardano, how there were buyers waiting to buy the dip, which is very, very bullish. We'll talk about that in a second. We're going to start with the second giveaway that I did for the other channels, XLM and ADA. And the two winners were Mentors SC and Terra section, if I remember correct. Yeah, Terra section. Now, if you want to participate in the next giveaway, which I'm doing it to all the different channels, what you need to do is simply be following our Instagram page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it much simpler without Twitter and some other things. I'm giving away $250 worth of crypto of your choice to 3 people that are following our Instagram page. So that's what you need to do. Just follow the Instagram page. The link is in the description of this video and any other video. There's going to be 3 winners. There's going to be announced on February 25th on Instagram, so make sure to check that out. And $250 worth of any crypto that you want. If you want Bitcoin, ADA, Chainlink, ETH, anything, that's the giveaway. Just make sure to follow us on Instagram. On the 25th, I will announce the winner. So we're going to be talking about the charts in just a second. I first want to go over this article right here, which is by Lorenzo Strobe from FX Street. He talks about the fact that Chainlink is basically ready to jump to $40 with no significant barriers ahead. Okay. He talks about what we're going to talk about in a second. Chainlink price had a massive sell-off in the past 24 hours, hitting $27.5, which is actually a massive sell-off. We saw it in all the cryptocurrencies. ETH went all the way down to 1,665. Okay, that's a huge move from its top, which is around 1,870. That's a 12% move in 2.5 days, and just this day, it was around a 10% move, okay, in one day. And so that's very significant. But again, the amount of buyers that were here to push the price up, and now it's in the green again, very, very, very bullish, okay? And, can it reach $40 in the next few days? I think so. I've said it in previous videos. I think Chainlink is undervalued, and it can reach $40, which is, a significant increase. It's almost a 20% move, but I do see it reaching it in the next few, I don't know when, no one knows, but it could happen very, very soon, okay? So Link Bulls bought the dip, pushing the digital asset by 24% within a few hours, which is incredible, okay? Large whales have bought a lot of Chainlink coins in the past week. Chainlink price had another massive rally in just 3 days, jumping by 33% and reaching a new all-time high of $35.7. On February 15th, the digital asset suffered a massive sell-off, dropping by 20%, but the bulls bought the dip. And let me know in the comments, by the way, if you also bought this dip, okay, or if you sold any of your links. Chainlink price looks bullish as whales continue to accumulate. Number of whales with 1 million to 10 million link coins, which is $34 million to $340 million, has increased significantly by 3 in the past week. Okay, so 3 times more whales with 1 million to 10 million link coins, which is incredible. Okay, just in the past week, indicating that large holders believe Chainlink price can surge even higher. And that's why we started talking about some sort of price manipulation, where we see a lot of this happening in the crypto space. We don't tend to see it too much in very large stocks such as Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft. Sometimes in Tesla we do. But for example, in crypto, what happens is large institutions start selling. Okay, so they start selling, and they know that here and here and here there's a lot of sell orders, like a sell stop. If it reaches this point, automatically sell. And that's why, like, sell, 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 and they're waiting over here, if it does reach, for example, $28, which it did, to buy. Okay, it even reached, was very close to $27. People, institutions, and banks especially like round numbers, but a bit over, started buying, pushing the price again back up. And then the people that sold here, they're like, wait a second, what's going on? And then they started buying again, pushing the price to where it is currently. And again, in my opinion, we're going to continue to rise. We might see a few more red candles along the way, but this move right here, very, very bullish. Okay, the fact that there's a lot of people buying the dips, and also seeing that there's a lot of new whales, okay, because this is smart money. You need to understand. Okay, this is not the retail investor who doesn't know anything about Chainlink and just puts his money. These are very, very, very smart individuals. If you have $34 million, okay, you probably know a thing or two about investing. Now, I'm not saying about people who inherited money and just throw it, because most of them just, we're not talking about them, but we're talking about very, very smart individuals or institutions, of course. They have a lot of money. They know what they're doing. They have a lot of analysts, probably a lot of mathematicians, and they're looking at Chainlink. They're saying, okay, Chainlink is currently undervalued. This is the potential that it can reach, and let's just buy. So that's why it's very, very bullish to see such a move like this. So talking about Fibonacci a little bit. All right, so that's the two main things that I wanted to go over in this article. The fact that there are a lot of new whales with 1 million to 10 million link coins, and the fact that there isn't any significant barriers to $40. And let me know again in the comment if you bought the dip. Now, regarding the other cryptocurrencies, okay, if you're holding Ethereum, Bitcoin, you can see the same thing. You can see the same exact thing. So, and this move for ETH, I mean, that's a huge move, okay, to go that much down in one day. And again, here, there was sell stops, okay, people started selling, sell, stop, sell, stop, sell, stop. Here, buyers waiting, okay, buyers waiting, pushing back the price. More and more people now are buying, making it green. And ETH is around 1,000. It's at 1,820. It was at an all-time high just 2 days ago, 1,873. And if we go on the 1 hour chart, we'll go on the 1 hour chart on Chainlink as well. Let's clean this up. We see how it over here starting, okay, on the all-time high. It started having a gap between the 20-day moving average, closed it. Okay, continued this consolidation, and then here was the sell-off. But here again, here were the buyers waiting, just waiting, bought, pushed the price back up, and we can see that the uptrend from here, the buy pressure, is continuing, which is very, very bullish. What do I think will happen with Ethereum? I think the same thing with the Link. I think the bull run on the cryptocurrencies is going to continue. Okay, after seeing this, if we saw like a lot of red candles, a lot of elephant red candles, which is like these ones, okay, 3% in 1 hour, and if we saw more and more and we didn't see this over here, then yeah, we could have said then we might start seeing more and more selling going on. But currently, you know, and this level right now is very important because, of course, we can either do some sort of consolidation here around the 1,800 to 1,840 level. I think there's enough buyers under 1,800, sorry, for ETH to continue push the ETH price higher and higher. And regarding Link, I think as well. I think, I mean, all-time high is very, very close. And I think there's a lot of people, even if it does dip back again and kind of try to close the gap with the 20-day moving average, I think there's going to be a lot of buyers as well here, 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 okay, during all this period to push at the end of the day Link's price up. Now, does that mean that we're not going to see any more red candles? Of course, we can see more red candles. But as long-term investors, what's important to see is this right here, okay? These buyers pushing very, very fast the price back up and the 20-day moving average continuing to rise with the price. So that's what we want to see. We want to see the price continue and also the 20-day moving average continuing to rise like this. So the gaps will be smaller, okay? So higher lows and higher highs, pushing the price high. Of course, it's not going to be that fast. Okay, my drawing is the worst, but you get the point. Okay, so that's why it looks very, very bullish. And let me know again in the comments, when did you buy Link? Some commented in the previous video that they bought when it was $7, $10, $11, which is amazing. Let me know when you bought, when you got in. Let me know what do you think is going to happen with Link and what's your sell strategy. It's very interesting to see what other people are doing. And make sure, again, if you're interested to participate in our third giveaway, all you need to do is follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description. You'll also have other channels to subscribe to if you're interested. So you have Instagram, Twitter, Crypto Daily Podcast, XLM Stellar, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, and of course, Chainlink, which is us. And make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in anything that has to do with Chainlink. My name is Nate. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.